Yeah, I'm on a new wave, catch me if you can. Always on the move, that's just who I am.
So this is a completely free way to animate your images. So you can make your images animate, give them sound, and even allow them talk for free using this free tool from Google. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to labs.google.com/fx/fx. Basically, you want to come to the Google Wix, so you can search for Google Wix as well. So you click on launch Whisk, and it's going to take you to the Wix, the Google Wix. So want to come here, click on enter tool, and from there we can basically do whatever we want to do. So we have a lot of things we can do right here, but we want to give it an image and tell it what to do. So basically want to animate our image for completely free. So you want to come here, click on add images, and you can upload your own image. So I'm going to upload one of my image, and as you can see here, you have to agree to the necessary rights and all of that to agree that you own the image and all of that. So I've uploaded one of my images and it is currently analyzing the image. So here we can basically describe all the idea that we want to use this image to do. So you can come here, tell it that I want this image to make it dance. All right, so make it dance and maybe sing, something like that. So we have this, we can just click on proceed, and it's going to generate for us. So it's using this image, which is my own image. It's using it as a reference image to do what we want. So as you can see, it does an incredible job. It actually tries a lot to make it look like me, even though it has to change the angle and all of that. So this is actually very close and I like it. But we are not done. So want to come here, click on animate. So you select the particular picture that you want and you want to animate the picture. So again, you can basically tell it to maybe dance and sing, or let's say dance and rap, because I basically like rap. So give it some time again. So it's basically turning this into a video. Remember, we started by using a still image, a regular image of myself, and now want to turn it into a full-time musician for free using Google Wix. So we have 5 generations we can do, but you can create multiple accounts by using multiple Gmail accounts, and you have multiple options to animate. And also this basically uses Google View 3, which means it's going to give us high quality video and all of that. So it's currently generating the video. So I'm going to pause this video and wait for it to finish the generation, and you can see the final result. So this is the final result, but sadly it did not generate audio. I don't know why, but let's play it and see if it actually does. So as you can see, it's dancing, and I've become a rapper without being a rapper. So this is incredible. But I don't know, I did not generate any audio, but I can basically tell it to um generate the audio. So let me just download this and then we can tweak it even better. So I'm going to download it. So it's currently downloading. I can come tell it to maybe add a rap audio. So let's see if it can do that. So this time it looks like it's added a rap audio. So let's try and see.
Yeah, I'm on a new wave, catch me if you can. Always on the move, that's just who I am.
So this time around it added the rap, and I'm officially a rapper. So this is how you can animate your images, turn yourself into a rapper or anything you want to be for free using Google View 3. And this is incredible. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video and I'll see you in my next video.